Alright, first of all, I want to say that we do get a lot of power outages here. Last time we got a power outage, it was about 7 to 9 hours. I can't remember exactly, but we spent it the hottest part of the day, which was around after 2 o'clock. It was around 118 degrees and no AC, guys. It was horrible. It was horrible. If you have family, if you have loved ones, especially pets and kiddos, then you definitely need something like this. Do not depend on the grid because it'll hunt you down eventually. If you live on the north side of the United States where you get all the storms and everything, then that's a whole nother ball game, a whole nother story. You definitely need a split system with the heater on. I do have the central AC right there. It's an older AC, but I do have a backup system. I do have a generator, as you guys do see, and then I do have a 1-ton inverter, mini split AC. We do get a lot of power outages here. Then I did wire it to this plug. Now it's time to actually make a mess. So spill some fuel, fill this thing up so it'll give you guys that demonstration. Now if you guys don't know what that is a kilowatt meter. Pretty much it'll measure your wattage, your voltage, and your amps and all that stuff. I do have a full video. Just keep in mind that is an older video on this device. If you guys want to look at it, I'll see if I can link it up above. Alright, so we got the AC. This is the control, so we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on. Disregard the 23. This is a Mexican AC. So it is on. We'll wait for a little bit. Now I don't know if you guys could hear the generator outside, but yeah, I can hear it definitely kick in. It's 58 degrees. Alright, so it did drop down to the 40s already. So that's good. Nice and cool. So, alright. Alright, so you guys do see this, I did quiet this generator down, but you guys do see that it's 793.94. Climbing up a little bit slow. But yeah, this is, like I said, this is a very efficient unit. It is designed to minimize the use of electricity. And it does start very slowly. It doesn't start like a regular AC with the surge. But yeah, this generator handling it really well. Alright, so I went ahead and put this AC on turbo. As you guys do see, the voltage is ramping up. The most I saw was like around 800 watts. So like I said, this is very efficient AC. This is the maximum cooling power of this AC. And that's basically it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys my AC system. If you guys have a question, because I used to have a solar panel and batteries and inverter, but my battery started dying and I started having problems with that. So I got myself a generator, and I do have the Pulsar generator, by the way. I still have that. I'm probably gonna end up just keeping both. This one for the portability and the other one for the house. But yeah, this is an inverter split system. I got this from Mexico. They are very cheap down there, like less than half of whatever they're worth here, like a third basically. That's how cheap they are. And this is a good brand. This is actually a very well-known brand. You can get parts for them over there. If you have access to closer to the border, you can get yourself some of these, or if you know somebody that comes and goes, then you can get yourself some of these. Other than that, Home Depot does sell these split systems, and I believe Amazon, you guys could get them. This is a 1-ton unit. That's the specifications there. There's the specifications for that. All you gotta do is just unplug it from over there and plug it right here. It does have its own circuit. But other than that, guys, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys my system. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.